excited?
I'm super excited. I love this park.
I'm looking for your mom in the guest relations line.
Oh my gosh. This is so... We made it! We made it to Pandora! I don't know. That's a cool plant. Whoa. Thank you. Wow! Ah! Ah! That's so cool. No, I was just telling you that it was really ends at 10:25, but we were cutting it super close. I just wanted to be on time, so I wanted to tell you that, you know. Oh my gosh, this is dope, babe. Look. So literally, there's a line right there. We just walked in. Here we go. We're going. We're going.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. Whoops. Wow! Jeez!
Got me a little bit.
That's so cool. That's awesome. Josh.
What?
Alright, chocolate waffle with vanilla ice cream. Here we go. So good.
Is it good?
Oh, it's not.
to Disney. We're about to go ride Everest for the second time with Vicky's parents. It'll be fun.
Ah.